Thank you. Look at that hair. Look at that girl hair. Pretty girl, too.
Look, I say
Let's see. You got your braids, girl. Look at you. I like it. I like it. They're going to take a shower. So you pooped today, huh? Like a good girl.
Oh, look at that pretty girl. You cute, girl.
See you get permanently suspended.
She just wants to do what we're doing. Very good. Thank you, Nora, for helping. Get those floors clean.
Get up, get up. Yeah, it's right over there. No, it's not. It's dirty.
Come here. Love you.
Love you.
No. Give me a kiss. Please. I love you. Hey, what's the book say? Really?
It is so cool.
Oh, that is so cool.
Yeah, that's so cool. My dad is so cool.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa! Whoa! It's so cool. My dad is so cool.
It is so cool, girl. So cool.
Oh, I got it.
You a mess, girl.
Mommy, look.
You want me to read it?
No, mommy read it.
Oh, okay.
Mommy, look.
Mm-hmm.
Bad dog. You look, mommy.
Sing more. I love your voice. Sing the queen. Queen of the castle. Mm-hmm. Good job.
Mommy, you play.
You want me to say? Alright. You want to go around this side? Come around this side. Come here, baby. Oh, you open the door? Look, open the door. Yeah, there you go. You got it. Huh?
You gotta look, you gotta push it here now. You gotta use that. Push it. Push it up. There you go. Now push it.
Woo! Yeah. Ooh, okay, okay. Ooh. Ooh. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Shh, 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 shh.
Oh my god. No. Alright, can I do my makeup?
Nora, what look do you call that?
Smoky eye.
Yeah.
On her face.
Do, do, do. Your turn, Ari.
My turn? Can I get the chair? Can I sit right there?
Let me see, Nora.
Thank you. I just finessed her. under the chair.
Beautiful. Ooh, work it. Get it, girl. Ooh, come here. Let me see again. Oh my goodness.
Happy birthday.
Christmas tree?
How can I tree?
I love it. Good job, Booty.
Oh, wow. Mommy, a pyramid. Look, Mommy, pyramid.
What about?
Open. Look, Mommy, pyramids. Look, Mommy, paintings.
Oh, presents.
Mommy, open.
We get to open them?
Uh-huh.
Ooh. Night, night. Love you.
Mommy, I'm Nana.
Water. Okay.
Mommy, I'm Nana.
Nana.
It's the same sound, it's just not as loud, but you're like... And then you'll stop, both of y'all will stop. And then you'll like go... She's already up. I mean, I don't want to get her excited. She's not even asleep. Throw a sock at it. I'll be like, she's like thinking about it. Look at her. Come on, girl, you got this. Do it, do it, do it. She was doing that to me one night when I was in there. She was throwing stuff at my head. Her eyes, you can see her eyes. She's like, got her eyes shut up and she's just like, what is my life? She's probably gonna be like, her eyes. She's like, can you get out and leave?